For centuries, the enigmatic glow of the moon's reflection has been a source of fascination for artists and writers alike. Its otherworldly beauty and mysterious presence have inspired a rich tapestry of art and writing, transcending time and culture as a profound symbol. In paintings from the Renaissance to the Impressionist periods, the reflection of the moon often evokes a sense of solitude and introspection. Renowned artists such as Claude Monet and Caspar David Friedrich utilized the silvery glow on calm waters in their works, inviting viewers into a world of emotion and contemplation. For many, the reflection of the moon became more than just a visual pleasure. It emerged as a catalyst for expressions of human longing and the search for connection and meaning. The motif of the moon's reflection extends into literature, where poets and authors harness its symbolism to explore themes of beauty, mystery, and desire. William Shakespeare, in Romeo and Juliet, laced the moon's reflection with meaning, intertwining it with the themes of love and loss. Such symbolism has not only endured, but flourished in contemporary literature, underscoring its relevance in defending true human experiences. Beyond its visual allure, the reflection of the moon upon water has been associated with the intricacies of the human psyche. The waxing and waning of the moon mirrors the ebb and flow of our emotions, presenting a surreal illustration of life's cyclical nature. It suggests the hidden, often uncharted depths within our subconscious, reminding us of hope and renewal with each return of its light. The enduring appeal of the moon's reflection lies in its ability to provoke a wide array of emotions, inviting generations of artists and writers into its glow. It continues to captivate, offering an endless journey into creativity. As a timeless symbol, the reflection of the moon on earthbound waters reminds us of our own reflections, illuminating the soulful themes of our existence as it dances along cultural and temporal landscapes.